Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Hong Kong scrambled eggs. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: 3 to 4 large, fresh eggs, about 2 tablespoons of milk or light cream, and a tiny pinch of cornstarch. You'll also need a good non-stick pan and a flexible spatula. Having everything ready and at room temperature is key for that perfect, silky texture we're aiming for. Let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare our egg mixture for that signature silky texture. Crack 3 to 4 large eggs into a bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of milk or cream, a 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Whisk gently with a fork or chopsticks, just enough to combine the yolks and whites without creating too many bubbles. For an even smoother result, you can pass the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This is where the magic happens. Heat your nonstick pan over medium-high heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour in your egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for about 10 to 15 seconds until the edges just begin to set. Then, using your spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this motion. The final step is crucial for achieving that perfect Hong Kong style. As soon as the eggs are mostly set but still look slightly wet and glossy, remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat will continue to cook them to a creamy, soft consistency. Avoid overcooking, as this will make them dry. Serve your beautiful, silky scrambled eggs immediately on a warm piece of toast or alongside some steamed rice for a truly authentic and delicious experience. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.